as a small to moderately sized uptrend emerges. A simple first step can be to apply a Fibonacci retracement. Then we can drag it higher as downswing points form at these higher ranges. Then get a better idea of resistance strength by placing a Fibonacci wedge on this recent bearish retracement to reveal that resistance is currently past its theoretically strongest duration. This becomes even more important now since in the short term, the chart is not retracing very low and instead maintains consistent contact with this resistance area, which contributed to the acceleration over the now theoretically weaker resistance area, which naturally reverses roles to become a key support range as the bullish acceleration slows down and transitions to a normal bearish retracement, which is another reminder to expand the Fibonacci retracement up to the most recent peak. Then as there's expected support falling down onto this range, base a Fibonacci wedge on the upswing point. After passing the horizontal duration of the wedge, it's quite normal to see contact below the support range. However, this example demonstrates quite well how a decisive break lower isn't guaranteed even though support is now theoretically weaker. Since there's a clear rebound and a drop, we can repeat the same process again. Support is again theoretically stronger during the duration marked by the horizontal portion of the wedge. In this case, there's barely contact with the upper portion of the range when there's relatively flat to eventually bullish movement. Fibonacci arcs based on the same upswing point demonstrate why we usually don't use those curved levels within the wedge and the extension ones, because Fibonacci arcs will usually do the same thing but more comprehensively. In this case, the chart closely approximates the curvature down, and the intersection with the Fibonacci retracement level almost exactly marks the area where the drop halts. But of course, that doesn't mean it's a guaranteed reversal, only that there could be greater opposition to the downtrend around the time of that intersection. And it's a similar situation in terms of slightly greater resistance potential when rebounding and contacting this range that now offers resistance.